Hope you guys are all staying safe at home. And on days like this, when it's snowy and cold outside, Steve and I like to have some warm comfort food. So today we're gonna make a very simple, quick chili. So first, ask your parents if that's okay, that you can make some chili, and you're gonna wash your hands. Okay, so for your ingredients, you need a pound of ground meat. We use ground turkey. You could use ground beef or pork or whatever you like. And then we use about 3 cans of beans, and we get the chili beans, the ones that's already in the chili mixer, because it's real easy. And about 1.5 cans of tomato sauce. And then for your spices, I mix my own spices, but you can always buy like a packet of spices if you want. So it's 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. And then you can use salt and pepper as you like.
You know, Shelly, on cold days like this, we keep our dogs inside. Because if not, they become chili dogs.
Okay guys, first you want to brown your meat real good till it's all fully cooked. Okay, so I got my big chili pot out here, and I have my burner on about medium high for now. And we're going to add our beans. Okay, and then you're going to add your 1.5 cans of your tomato sauce. And then we're going to add all of our cooked meat.
It's all nice and brown.
It's very nice and brown. It's got a little bit of spice in there too. And we add in the rest of our spices as well. Okay, after you mix everything real good together, you want to let it cook, kind of simmer on medium heat for about 15 minutes. Okay, Steve and I also like cornbread with our chili, and I like this mix the best, so we're going to make some cornbread as well. And I like topping my chili with sour cream and a little bit of cheese. And Steve loves his with some elbows, so we'll make a little pot of elbows too. So while our chili is simmering on the stovetop, we're going to make some elbow noodles for Steve and some cornbread too.
Hey, Shelly, I got one more joke for you.
Okay.
Why did the pepper wear a jacket?
Why?
Because he was a little chilly.
Okay, kids, we're going to make the cornbread, and I made a mistake. It's not 2 eggs, it's actually only 1. You only need 1 egg, so you just need the 1. And I just kind of put it in something that's easier to pour out of, so I can put it in my muffin tin in a bit, and I just kind of break it up so it's get all these little lumps out. And then you want to add your egg and your milk.
Always wondered, what came first, the chicken or the egg?
That's the age-old question. Maybe we'll find out on this stay-at-home order.
You know the one question I never understood? Or the one joke? Why did the chicken cross the road? Who cares? Let him do what he wants.
You're going to add your milk. And you stir it all together real good. Alright kids, when this is all cooking and while you're waiting, you can help out and do some dishes. Just follow the directions on the macaroni or whatever kind of noodle you want to use. I'm just going to make about 1/2 box. Okay, so I just grease a muffin tin, and usually 1 box will fill about 4 of this bigger one. So, and then I just fill each cup up about halfway.
How high do you preheat the oven?
Preheat the oven is 400. Okay, our noodles are done, so we're just going to drain them. Be very careful doing this. It's really, really hot. And I just drain them real good, and then I put them back in the pot with a little bit of olive oil so they don't stick together. And that beeper sound was it's ready to put the cornbread in. We'll do a little bit of olive oil in this. Let's stir it up. Those are good. And then we'll put our cornbread in. Usually between 15 to 20 minutes for the cornbread. Oh, need a hot pad. Use your hot pad. You can put your cornbread in. And we'll do about 15 minutes. Okay, kids, our cornbread is done. Just want to take it out and check it. And I usually check it with a knife. See if it comes out clean, which it did, so it's all good. You know what's good about this meal, Steve?
You didn't spill the beans?
No. It's good for a large family, or like us, it's good and we have leftovers and I don't have to cook tomorrow.
It looks fantastic. Compliments to the chef.
Put your coffee cup over there.
What a great cup of coffee.
I might just kind of eyeball it.
It's very exact. Hey, Shelly,
Steve.
why did the pepper put on a jacket? Because it was chilly. What happens when you stay outside too long in the cold?